everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today we're going to make some spooky direction sign embellishments. I used two different small sizes of the craft sticks from the Dollar Tree, and I used some coffee stirrer sticks. And I'm going to make two large ones and two small ones. And the larger ones ended up measuring around 6 inches by 2.5 inches, and the smaller ones by 4.5 inches by 2.25 inches. So it is a larger embellishment, so I just thought I'd put it out there. And I was just cutting them down to point in the direction that I want them to go, and I was just trying to break off the edges. And then of course I sand it all out to make sure there's no sharp edges. And I'm using an oak gel stain that I got from one of the dollar stores in my area here. And I'm just making sure all the edges are all covered so that if you see it from any angle, it is covered. And I used a dry cloth to rub the stain into it. And I kind of wish I had went with the darker stain, but it is what it is. And I just sanded it off to give it a more rustic, worn look. And for the other two, I wanted to make them more spooky, so I'm first painting them black. And then I'm just getting some white and just kind of just dragging it across. And this brush is so perfect for that. I gotta get some more from the Dollar Tree. But as long as I keep looking after it, it's holding up pretty good, I must say. And if you do get too much white in some spots, this is where you can work on it to kind of tone it down a bit. And it does rough up some of the black too and take some of it off, but it's fine. It adds to all the more spookiness. And I missed one there, so I have to get that redone. And this white glass writer marker came from the Dollar Tree. It works really well. And I don't know why, but for some reason I can only write on tiny embellishments from backwards. It's the only way I can ever make it fit. Anytime I start the other way, it runs off the project. So these are the words I chose for the black and white ones. As I said, I made it more Halloweeny and spooky. And for the wood-looking ones, I use this other glass marker from the Dollar Tree, but I used it in black. And I changed up the words to make it more fall themed, but it can be used in a Halloween project also. And those are all the words I chose. And now the fun part, getting it all glued together. I just used the 3-in-1 beacon glue. It's my go-to tacky glue. So, and for these lightweight projects, it's fine for me to use this and not a wood glue. And I'm just getting them all positioned here. I made it too close to the top. And I just used this moss roll that I had also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I used some of these these leaf dies that I had purchased from Joom last year. And I think there's like 6 or 7 different leaf types, and I just love them. They're great for so many different projects. And I wanted to use green on the wood-looking signposts, so I grabbed some green cardstock, but it was too greeny, so it's like I needed to throw dirt at it. So that's all I was doing, just kind of toning them down a bit. And here they are. I hope you like them as much as I love them. I had so much fun making these, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.